Hey Bonnie, it's Peter here from somewhere in the Finger Lakes region of New York. Just get off the highway, and I'm going to try to put together notes in this way on the curriculum guide in the hopes that you can open this somehow and make additions. So it looks like it's kind of page for page. I'm just working on my iPad. Front page is fine. The second page as well, I don't think needs any alterations at all. Pretty sure that's right. This opening letter is pretty darn good, I think. We've used it before for a couple of years. One change that needs to happen here, ninth graders, please note that you will enroll in the school's humanities courses, because we're going from one humanities combined course to a humanities English, humanities history. So you'll enroll in the school's humanities courses in your first semester at Holderness. This next sentence can be removed, okay? Just in its entirety. And then I think this, for ninth graders, I think we're back on our game, and that's fine. I would just add here, junior high, foreign language in junior high school often moves very gently through content. Okay, I think just softening that a little bit is a good idea. Okay, page 4, we're getting into real stuff now. Boy, I'm not seeing any like 2006 things, which is sort of good. I think we're good throughout the large requirements, except senior thesis. I think we need to say full year, comma, half credit, right? It meets twice a week all year. So instead of one semester, full year, half credit. The rest of this I think is good. Okay, on to page 5. And again, a couple changes here. We can just take out, okay, humanities. For English, it's a fall semester course, earns 1 semester of English credit. Cut the rest of it about history. That's good. Here, English 4 is changing too. I think we can say, instead of elective, we're calling them seminars. So this can just say semester length seminars. Semester length seminars there. And that's it for page 5. Sorry, Bonnie, I'm just catching back up with this. I'm now in Kansas City. Here, I think you want to say semester hyphen length. Semester length seminars. Is that helpful? On to the next page. Okay, Bonnie, we're on to page 6 here. Mandarin stays the same. Spanish stays the same. History, we're going to have to make a similar change and say humanities fall semester course. And you can cut the rest of that. Just say fall semester course. 20th century research methods. Okay, here we're going to actually have some changes. Why is there a line here? I don't think there should be a line there. So can we remove that? Also remove challenges to global stability and remove economics. Okay, it's going to get complicated now, Bonnie. We have 2 classes to add that are going to look like this. Okay, they're going to be semester course open to 11th and 12th grade students. And I will be sending you descriptions of them. The first is called, I'm looking it up here. It is called Political Media, the Election. And I'll send you a description of that. But you can just list it just like this, political media, the election. And the other course will be called, 2 more actually. One is called Post-War Intellectual History. And same thing, semester length course. The last is called History of Art. And we're going to cross-list History of Art as an art course. So again, I will send you those descriptions and you can fill them in later in this document. I don't think I'll get to that right now, but okay, let's look at the one more page. Okay, here we go, Bonnie, on science. And this is, well, actually, we finish up with history, and these are cross-listed courses, so that's great. And onto science, a couple of small changes. Here, STEM next year is going to be a semester course, but it's going to be called STEM Robotics. So take energy out, put robotics in. Intro to GIS is gone. And if you want to, that line shouldn't be there. You could add in here snow science, and again, I'll be sending you a description of that course, but put snow science in and make it a semester course just the same as this, except here, yeah, you can just keep this description. Students must have completed biology and chemistry. So the course is snow science. I'll send you a description. Okay, on to page 8, and we've renamed finite mathematics. This is now topics in mathematics. The course will be exactly the same description, so this can stay the same. It's just a different title, topics in mathematics. Here, we can remove economics. We're not going to offer that. What we are going to offer is AP computer science. So that's an addition that you could drop in here right where economics is. AP computer science. And I think it's the same as this. Must have completed geometry and algebra 2. So I hope that makes sense. Ooh, art. This is going to be a little thorny here. Yeah, I'm going to have to look something up. Hold the phone. Okay, actually, that is fine. These arts so far are fine. Let's go on to the next page. Okay, getting there, Bonnie. Here, the courses we need to add, and these are just semester length, semester course. That's all you need to note is Introduction to Music Theory. That would be a semester course. And then, gosh, I'm not totally sure what this last class is going to be called, but it's going to be called, whoops, it's going to be up here under art, and it will be called Popular Music and Musical Theory. So I'll get you more details on that. You can put that in like that for now, and that would be semester course open to 11th and 12th graders, just like this. So popular music and music theory. Then we need a line here before we get to theology, and you want to cut out course and notes. I don't know why that's in here. The rest of this stuff is good, and I think the rest of this. Whoa! I think the rest of this page is good. Senior thesis are required independent research course for 12th graders. That's right. All right, so this is sort of installment 1 of stuff that I want to send you for a course description. And I'll keep sending you course descriptions as I go. All right, maybe talk to you tomorrow.